guys, ang cute nito. Akala ko ba't mahal kasi collector's item daw. Pero among the old 22s, maganda quality. Fit and finish. Excellent. Kahit matagal na siya. Heel release, European mag style release, mag release. Wait lang. 22 LR. Fits the palm of my hand. I'm just curious about this gun. Auto 9. Yeah. They probably stopped making this, right?
Something like.
Never heard.
It was real famous back in the 50s, 60s.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 70s maybe.
Yeah, I like the finish. But that's about it. The price for a 22. Yeah, it's a collector's piece. Nice gun though. Yes. Auto 9, but it's a 22 LR. Auto 9. Finish. Condition is excellent. Heel mag release. Tiny magazine. It doesn't lock on the last one. Okay. Trigger's okay.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm.